Hello students, question number 11 was left, that I am starting. There are 5 questions. First question, the value of tan A is always less than 1. You have to say whether this statement is right or wrong, and you have to justify also. What is tan A? Tan A means perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular means side opposite to angle A, and base means side opposite to adjacent to angle A. This is angle A, B, C. Opposite to this angle, that is perpendicular, side adjacent to angle A is base. Now, 3 cases are there. AB can be greater than BC, or AB may be equals to BC, or AB may be less than BC. AB is one side, BC is another side. Any side may be greater, or maybe both the sides are equal. For this case, tan A is equal to BC upon AB. BC is the numerator, AB is the denominator. So, AB is denominator, it is greater, and BC is numerator, it is smaller. So, it will be less than 1. For this case, tan A will be BC upon, both are same, it will be is equal to 1. For this case, tan A is equal to here AB is smaller than BC, so numerator BC is larger, so it will be greater than 1. But in the question it is given that value of tan A is always less than 1. It is not true, maybe less than 1, maybe equals to 1, maybe greater than 1. So, the given statement is false. Now, second question. Sec A is given 12 upon 5. 12 upon 5 is greater than 1. Sec A, it is reciprocal of cos A. Cos A means base upon hypotenuse. So sec A will be hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse means side opposite to 90 degree. It is hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse is this. Side opposite to 90 degree. Base, side adjacent to angle A. Now, since right angle means 90 degree is the greatest angle for this triangle, so its opposite side AB, AC, angle B, its opposite side is AC, so AC must be greater than either AB or BC. So AB is the adjacent side. We can write the reason here. Side opposite to 90 degree to 90 degree is always greater than the side adjacent to angle A. So, if this side is greater, then sec A will be greater than 1. So, the statement is true. So, sec A will be greater than 1. Thus, the given statement is true. What is the given statement? Sec A is 12 upon 5, means greater than 1, and it is true. Question number 3. Question 11, third part. Third part, it is written here, cos A is all abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. It is false. Because cos A is written for cosine of angle A. Cos A is written for cosine of angle A, not cotangent of angle A. Fourth part. Cot A is the product of cot and A, but it is not correct. False. Because cot A is written for, or you can write this language, cot A is the abbreviation used for. Here I am writing in short, because cot A is written for cotangent of angle A. Fifth part. Sin A is equal to 4 upon 3. It is given. Sin theta is given. Sin theta is equal to 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3. So 4 is larger. So it is greater than 1. So what is sin A? Sin A means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sin theta. Suppose it is theta. Perpendicular means side opposite to the given acute angle theta, and hypotenuse side opposite to 90 degree, side opposite to 90 degree, hypotenuse, it is AC. Side opposite to 90 degree, it is always greater than the side opposite to theta. Side opposite to 90 degree is always greater than the side opposite to theta. If this is larger, this is smaller, so this fraction will be less than 1. So P upon H or sin theta should be less than 1. And the given statement is false. This exercise is over. Few points you should remember. sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Suppose ABC is a triangle. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be 180 degree. Side opposite to the larger angle of a triangle, side opposite to the larger angle of a triangle is larger. Suppose it is a triangle A, B, C. Angle A, suppose 30 degree. Suppose it is 90 degree. It is 60 degree. Side opposite to the larger angle of a triangle is larger. So in this triangle ABC, three angles are there. Which is the largest one? 90 degree. B angle is the largest angle. Now opposite to this angle, what side is there? AC. AC will be greater than, below 90 degree 60 degree is there, and below 60 degree 30 degree. So 60 degree is the next larger. Opposite side is AB. Smallest angle is 30 degree. Opposite side is BC. Pythagoras theorem. H hypotenuse square is equal to P square plus B square. That means H is equal to root over P square plus B square. P is equal to root over H square minus B square. B is equal to root over H square minus P square. It is applied for right angled triangle only. And in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the largest. Triangle. hypotenuse is the largest side. So what about the other two sides? Suppose this is a right angle triangle. It is hypotenuse. If this angle is given, this will be perpendicular and this will be base. Perpendicular may be greater than base, perpendicular may be is equal to base, or P may be less than base. Sin A, actually it is SINE of angle A. Cos A, it is actually cosine of angle A. Tan A, it is tangent of angle A. Cosec A, reciprocal of sin A is cosec A. Actually it is cosecant of angle A. Cos A reciprocal is sec A. Secant of angle A. Tan A reciprocal is cot A. Cotangent, it was tangent, it is cotangent of angle A. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, it is sin A, sin theta, whatever it may be. Sin ratio is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse, cos A. Perpendicular upon base, tan A. And if you write this way, reciprocal H B P B P. Sin A, it will be cosec A. Cos A, it will be sec A. Tan A, it will be cot A. If you forget this thing, you can remember like this way. Pandit, Badri, Prasad, har, bole. Sin A into cosec A is equal to 1. Cos A into sec A is equal to 1. Tan A into cot A is equal to 1. Tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A. Cot A is equal to cos A upon sin A. Suppose these are two triangles A, B, C. D, E, F. In triangle ABC and DEF, A, B, C, D, E, F means A corresponds to D, B corresponds to E, C corresponds to F. If AB upon DE, side AB is corresponding to side DE. BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. Means ratios of corresponding sides of two triangles, that is, they are same. Then we can say triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Side similarity. Side. Already you know this. If it is true, then we can get, means if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then corresponding angles will be equal. What are the corresponding angles? A and D. A will be equal to D. B is equal to E and C is equal to F. Okay, today is this much.